Amos is a general contractor, so we do all sorts of things from roofing, siding, gutters, windows, doors, painting. We have a restoration division as well and a full commercial division.
Founded by my father, Bob Amos. Originally it was started as basically a general contractor, and we did bathroom remodeling to roofing to even build some homes, that type of thing. And about 30 years ago we started focusing mainly on the items we do today that we specialize in.
Usually when people are calling into Amos, they have a specific need. From roofing to siding to gutters. It could have been from a recent hailstorm or a windstorm, or it could just be because their roof is old and in need of replacement. So when we get those phone calls, our office staff will take all the information down that we need in order to assign the correct project manager. All of our project managers go through some rigorous training.
And so every week we have a training class. We have certification classes. Salespeople are in there, marketing people are in there. That way they can understand the process better to explain it to people. Every division we have has extensive training ongoingly all the time.
They're continuing to get that training so that we can ensure that when they come out to their house, they're at their highest integrity. They know exactly what they're doing when they're in your home. These guys are well trained. When they show up at your home, they're not like most contractors who don't know the difference between a dimensional shingle and a 3-tab shingle. Our guys understand the differences and what's going on with your projects. They understand a larger scale than most contractors out there in this industry. I think the one thing that makes Amos really different is the fact that we've been in business for 47 years, which most contractors can't say that in central Indianapolis area.
Our certifications are as good as there are in the industry. Our partnership with Owens Corning as a platinum contractor, there's only, I think, 200 in the entire country. I think that's the biggest thing that sets us apart is the training and the knowledge, which in turn ensures that our clients are going to be taken care of and the job's going to be done the right way. And so our philosophy really, I think, instills more in is making sure that all the people that work here know what they're supposed to be doing, know how to do it, and just treating people right. We try to make sure that all of our employees always have the feeling of value, and we try to have a family atmosphere here. We've been a family business for so long, but I think it's important for employees to feel a part of that.
Since the atmosphere at Amos is very family oriented, the biggest thing for us is we want to make sure that when we show up at our client's home, they feel as welcome as everybody else in our family. We want to make them feel at home. We want to make them feel excited about using Amos for their project, whether that's a re-roof or from a storm. We want to help them feel like they're a part of this family as well.